Probably 5, 6, 7 years ago, we started analyzing our ability to put cameras in the truck. We evaluated all the different type of cameras on the market, came up with the solution that we felt Motive had the best camera for us. But today, because of the technology that's in the truck, almost every accident you can see who's at fault, and allows us to address the accident the way we should, and allows the courts and whoever needs to see what actually happened in the accident. It has protected them in accidents on multiple occasions to where accidents that might have been their fault in the past are proven to not be their fault. And at times while they're on the scene with the officer, we've had instances where driver's on the scene, the driver is in the process of getting a ticket for causing an accident, and the video gets shown to the officer, and the officer changed the ticket to the other person because of the camera footage. So Motive and the ELD within Motive has made it so easy for companies like Bennett to deal with fuel tax, to deal with logs. We used to have a fairly large fuel tax department, and now there's 2 people for 4,500 trucks that do it. So partnerships with having that information that's automated, sending to figure out those the fuel tax, and also with the logs, has made it much easier for our back office to make sure we stay in compliance. I've spent a lot of time with the team at Motive, and I would rank them in the top 3 to 4 partners that I've worked with in my career. And that is the truth. They have been, when we've needed Motive, they've been there for us. And when we've had issues, they've solved those issues, and they've been a great partner.